Hi, I'm doing something different today. Um, Making an amp, so I'm preparing the chassis. So that's the power supply. So I've connected that to the power in. So I've connected, soldered in the connections to the power supply. And this is the output for the amp. So that's going to go into the power socket of the amp. I've made a front panel which I haven't got at the minute, but obviously, so that's the input which I'm soldering on to the RCA jacks at the minute, and over here is the speaker terminals. So I'm going to put this all together now, and then once I connect to the amp module, then let's see what that looks like. So this is what the back of the amp is going to be like. So that's the input socket for the plug. That's the RCA jacks and the speaker jacks. Hi folks, so I'm doing something different today for a project. So I found this old case which used to house a preamplifier. So what I've done is I've prepared it. So I made sort of a power supply lead. So this end goes to the amp, and this end goes out to the power brick externally. I've wired in an RCA jack, a TRS 3.5 jack, and I wired that to the back panel for the RCAs. And I've wired in 4 speaker terminals, the speaker. So what I've done, I've ordered this amp module from AliExpress. So this amp module is a tda3255 power module. It's got a fan. This module produces 150 watts per channel in 4 linear ohms and 300 watts per channel in 4 ohms. But to achieve that figure, you have to use a 48 volt supply, which I'm not going to use. I'm going to use a 24 volt supply, which has the power, but it's enough to drive my speakers. So I wired in a power switch. So I wired in a power switch, and then I'll connect the amp and then see how that goes, and then I'll do a test. Obviously I can't play any music because I'll get a strike, so I just assemble the amp and turn it on. So that's all. So I assemble this amp. I am back. So my amplifier is finished. So I've installed the amp in the case and connected all the wiring. Switch works. Yeah.